Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you are a university student and you have university ID or mail ID, then this video is for you. Basically, Google offers something that costs around 20,000 and that will help basically the education system on your college. So let's see what is that. So firstly, you have to come to in Google search. So here you just need to search like Google, then just enter and you can see there Gemini for student, your AI study buddy for the Google. Basically, you will get a subscription of Gemini, the latest one for the student, and so many things also included on that. So let's see one by one. So first you have to click on the first link. You can see there the college students get Gemini upgrade. Basically, you will get the subscription of Gemini, okay, which is of around 1 year's for that will cost 19,500. That is totally for free. If you have a mail ID of university and what is included in this, you can see there. So basically, it's totally unlimited homework help that will, of course, there is AI model. Basically, Gemini AI models you will get for free, and the Google AI Pro. Basically, what is Google AI Pro? If you search there, the Google one. Let's see search first. Google one. Okay. So just come here and you can see there. Actually, I have already subscribed for free plan. If you want to upgrade, then you have to come to the Google one so that you can upgrade. The previously I used basically 100 GB for 130 rupees per month. Now I have just upgraded for my student ID that you can see there. You can see there the Google AI. Basically, the current plan is Google AI Pro, and that basically give the 2 TB of storage. And you can see there it costs around 1900, basically 1950 per month. You will get the access of these things. 2 TB storage for photo, drive, and email. And Gemini app will get basically the Pro one 2.5 Pro and the limited access to view 3, basically text to video you can create, and the AI credit you will get per month. There you can see 1000 monthly AI credits so that you can create the video also. And Gemini on your Gmail, Outlook, or Wix, these things they are basically included, and the more you can see there. And let's see the more one here you can see there's a 10% back from the Google Store if you purchase anything, a subscription from the Google Store. And some other plans also you have. You can upgrade to 5 TB plans, like, and you will get basically Google AI Pro this plan. And so come to the here. You can see that your free upgrade include. So you just have to go through this get offer and you have to verify with the basically email ID. Let's see all these things with my mobile because most of the students use mobile. So I used to do that with my mobile. So in mobile, the interface will be look like this. So you can see there the verify eligibility. You can read all these details related to this verification. Basically, what you get, you can read and just click on verify eligibility. And it takes very few seconds to open. And the interface will be look like this to verify the student status. You have to fill all these details. And then I just fill all these details and just you have to click on verify student status. Click on that and it takes you few seconds. Then you have to log in your college ID basically. Just click on sign in your school and then you have to choose your school basically email ID, whatever you have. Just click on that and it will take very few seconds basically to verify your school ID. And then you can see there you have been verified. Next, subscribe to Google AI Pro for 1 year. Now I have verified my school ID. So just click on get Google AI Pro. So I just click on that and the interface will open like this. The university student will get Gemini in AI Google Pro for 1 year. So here you just click on get student offer. Just click on that basically and also you can read down all these details. So I just click on that get student offer and now you can see there the upcoming charges basically 1950 per month will be charges after 12 months. So you can see there subscribing on play. So you can choose your payment option basically from like this interface will be open like this. So this is basically one time you have to mandate and it will cost around 2 rupees that will also return. So it will basically your payment system will be mandate for the future payment. So don't worry about that. That will not cost the actual amount. Okay. So you can take any of the option and the payment verification is still in progress. When after payment is verified, then the interface will be open like this, like it subscribed, and you can see all the details what you get from the Google AI Pro. You can see all these details. Now it's done. You can use the Gemini Pro here. You can use in the website also or in app also. You can see there. You can chat with Gemini Pro, and you can also see the detail, the subscription about the Google One. So you can see, just open the Google One and you can see there Google AI Pro 2 TV ops. Change your Google plan. Basically, it is you have taken this plan. Okay. So yeah. So hope you understand the process. I will see you in the next video. And if you have any problem facing related to that, you can comment down below and see you in the next video. Bye bye.